So we've learned about basics of Python functions. So if you look at last week, we've covered about Gemini, right? So now let's start using another interesting tool which is known to all of us, which is the ChatGPT, right? Now, see, I use ChatGPT in quite different ways. Like you can see, like I keep using it every single day for different purposes, right? Now, if you are learning some topic, right, the only way to learn about that topic is to try to understand things in depth, right? So assume it like a person, right? So when do you get to know about a person? If you have some good conversation, if you have some deep conversation with that person. So assume ChatGPT is a person who can help you with the concepts of Python functions. Okay, so let's see how you can actually use ChatGPT to understand about Python functions much better, right? So now, for example, you can say, can you teach me about Python functions? Assume I'm a 10-year-old kid who just started writing Python for the last 1 week. Okay, now you hit the enter and now it keeps giving you the answer, right? So that too in a fun, easy way to understand, as you can actually see, right? So setting up this context is very important. You can just say, can you teach me Python functions, right? So it just throws you some random things, but instead if you give more context, more situation, then it gives you more meaningful answers as well. Why do we use functions, how to make a function, right? So we've created this hello world function as well, right? So all of these things. Awesome, isn't it? So yes, keep trying ChatGPT as well. It will be a companion for all your queries as well. See you in the next module.